So this is my first ever unboxing video. I always see them on YouTube and I think they're really, really cool and I enjoy watching them. And so this morning I got a new package. So I thought I would unbox it with you guys. So I got the Dyson Airwrap Complete, and this one's the gift edition. So it's in copper and it comes with a couple of extra accessories apparently. So let's open it. I've already taken the sticker thing off so that it doesn't annoy you guys. Look how nice this is packaged. Got like 2 different boxes. So let's slide this one out. What is inside? Okay, this is one of the accessories. So I think it's like a, I think it said it's like a travel bag.
I suppose it's like a heat mat as well, so you can put your Airwrap on top of it as you're using it.
Yeah, I don't know how much you'd actually fit in this, but it's quite cool. Now for the big boy. It's actually so heavy. So yeah, I think the other edition, so the original, isn't copper, but because this is the gift edition, this is like the coppery one, which actually matches like so much stuff in the house as well. So it's quite. Let's give it an open. Okay, so it's got like instructions how to curl your hair.
So step 1, 2.
I'm probably going to leave actually because I haven't watched any of the videos yet to show you how to do it. But I know Dyson have like videos online shows you how to use each attachment. So I've got like, oh, this must be like the heat mat actually that you can put down. This is what it looks like. So you've got like the main device, which you can connect all the attachments to. You've got like this brush. This one, which is, I think this is the one for normal hair. And this one's the one for like thicker hair, but I don't actually know. And then we've got the ones, so like different size ones. Well, this one's probably the biggest one, but they're quite short.
So if you've got like long hair, I don't know how well these are actually going to work, but obviously as you can see mine is really long, so.
I'm going to try it out. And then it also comes with the blow dry attachment as well, so you can blow dry your hair. Super exciting. So I'm going to plug this in and get it like all out and then show you guys a welcome. So I think this is how you register it for your warranty. It's also got this little box. This is to clean the filter apparently, and my friend's actually got one of these, and for ages she thought this was like an attachment and you have to like put your hair in it. Yeah, and then she like watched a video on Dyson, and actually this attachment, I don't actually know how you use it, but I think it cleans the filter. So yeah, bear that in mind that this isn't an attachment for your hair. Let me put that back in the box. Super exciting. So I'm gonna plug this in and then show you how it works. So I've got it plugged in now. So it's got like a few different buttons on. So it's got like the heat button. So there's like 3 different settings for the heat. And then you have the power. So I think that's the speed of the fan. And then you've got the on and off slider as well. So if you turn it off, if you slide out one, and then on the back here, you've got like a lock and unlock. And I think that's used to put the attachments in. So let's give it a go. So unlock it, slide in the attachment. There you go. This is actually so exciting. Obviously my hair's not wet, so yesterday I like curled the ends with hair straighteners. So I don't know if this is actually going to straighten it, but let's give it a go. So I'll put it on full power. So it is hot. It does get hot really quick, but not like super hot. As you can see, I'm not very good at doing hair at all. That's not really like my forte, but it's definitely straighter already. Let's try this side because this side's a bit more curly. still a bit curly at the bottom. Let's try a different attachment now. So this would probably be good for like doing like little flicks at the end and stuff. I can see this actually works. This one's a nice one. And it's not super hot actually. It's a little bit warm, but the top is completely cold. So yeah, it's quite easy to take on and off. Let's put that back. Let's use one of these brushes instead. Let me do the lowest fan speed. Oh, you can hear the difference. My hair feels so warm and soft. When you turn it off as well, like you hear the vibration inside, it like vibrates and then like turns off, like it feels really expensive. Like it's really, really nice to hold, to be fair. Here's the filter, so that's got something to do with that cleaning thing, but I think I'm gonna research how to do this. Oh, okay. So you can have a look at the filter. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. Oh, it's like a magnet. Oh, that's really nice. Cool, so that's that attachment. I don't want to try like the wand one yet because I want to straighten my hair a bit more first. So let's try the blow dryer. That's on. The air comes out of this side, even though this side's the pretty side. I'm going to demo all of these. Obviously I don't have wet hair and a lot of them are for like drying the hair, so that one would be drying. I suppose these would be drying as well, like drying kind of straight. These ones are like drying kind of like with flicks on the end, or like a little bit curly if you know how to use it. I'm not very good with stuff like that. So let's try, this is definitely the weirdest one and I haven't actually looked at the instructions yet. So let me look at the instructions on how to actually use this, because I don't want my hair all being sucked up into these little holes, which you can't actually see, but yeah, I'll come back. So it's asking me to try this on damp hair. So I think dry your hair a little bit first and then use this. But I'm gonna obviously try it on dry hair because this bit's actually quite straight, to be fair. So this is a bit scary now. Take that attachment off. Let me go for like the smallest. What I also did, because my hair's quite long, I ordered one of the longer attachments for long hair. So it should be about nearly double the size. So when you roll it up, you can go all the way. But to be honest, I only really ever like to curl the bottom of my hair. So hopefully this will work. So what it's saying is grab a section of damp hair, 10 centimeters from the end of the barrel, and then bring the barrel towards the tip. And apparently it's gonna like suck itself. And then you just move it towards your hair apparently. So I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. I can feel the heat here a bit. Switch off. But actually on the video it said to like do a bit of cold air to set it. Then turn it off. Oh wow, it actually really does work. It's so exciting. Let me do the other side. Wow, that is so cool. I'm well impressed. Let me do a little bit more. A little bit hot. How cool is that? Okay, I'm well impressed. That was actually so quick as well. What about if I just randomly put it next to all of my hair? Oh, it's warm. That did actually curl a few bits. Okay, yeah. I'm not very good at doing hair, as you can see, but the thing works. And that was super quick as well, to be honest. So yeah, in love it. It's definitely worth going for the copper, the gift edition one, unless you don't, unless you really don't like the colour. But yeah, I love it. I think it's so nice. It's really, really beautiful. Really, really love it. And it works as well. I can't wait to do all my hair. I'm gonna do all my hair and then so that literally took about 4.5 minutes to do all of my hair. The first couple of times I did it, I think I was leaving it in for too long. It really did not need that long. But yeah, I feel like I've done the back as well. It's like not the neatest thing you've ever seen, but it is curly. So yeah, well happy with that. Dead impressed, love it. And I can't wait now to wash my hair tonight and then try and dry it with the hairdryer. Can get rid of all of my other stuff now, get rid of my curlers. Might not be able to get rid of my straighteners yet. Let's see. Get rid of my blow dryer, all in one, love it.